Today we're going to go over some stretches to address torticollis. And torticollis is just a fancy word for tight neck muscles. So sometimes babies are diagnosed with either a right torticollis or a left torticollis. And what that means is that if it's called a right torticollis, it means that their right neck muscles are tight. And the muscle that is tight is often called the sternocleidomastoid. And that particular muscle does two functions. It will side bend your head to one side, but then rotate your head to the opposite side. So if your baby is diagnosed with right torticollis, they will have a preference for a right side bend, so the right ear comes close to their right shoulder, and they will want to look over their left shoulder, so left rotation. So when we are focusing on stretches, we want to do the opposite of what that muscle is doing. So we would try and get the baby's neck to go into left side bend, so the left ear goes to the left shoulder, and they look over their right shoulder, so at right rotation. If the baby is diagnosed with left torticollis, it means that they will have a preference for their left ear to go to the left shoulder, and they will want to rotate or look over their right shoulder. And again, with those exercises, we want to do the opposite. So we would try and stretch to the right side, so right side bend, right ear to right shoulder, and we would want to promote that left rotation. So in the following videos that you guys can watch, I am going to demonstrate some stretches for right torticollis. So again, the right torticollis is when a baby has a preference to tip their head to the right and look over their left shoulder. And we want to do the opposite motions to help stretch that muscle. So in all of the videos, you will see me trying to promote left side bend, so that's left ear to the left shoulder, and you will see me trying to promote right rotation, so looking over her right shoulder. And I'll show you a couple stretches that you can do in standing, sitting, and even on your lap. So hopefully you guys can enjoy those videos and learn to do some fun stretches at home with your baby.